Hi everyone, let's solve this very quickly. X to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 equals 20. Okay, so what do we do in this case? Bring this to the left hand side so that you have x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 minus 20 equal to 0. Okay, so now it means that the whole of this should be equal to 20 because it's 20 minus 20 that will give 0, right? So in that case, x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2, I can write 20 here to be like this, right? Because 20 will be the same thing to, we'll have from 16 plus 4, right? That is 20. This is now equal to 0. So that if we proceed, we will now have x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 minus open brackets 2 to the power of 4 plus 2 to the power of 2. Everything is equal to 0. Now you look at this and this. They are in the same form now, right? Then if you go ahead again, you can open the bracket. So you have x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 again to the power of 2 equals 0. This is because the negative here will open this and this will turn to negative. Now let's regroup. X to the power of 4 will come together, then minus 2 to the power of 4 will come to this. X to the power of 4 and minus 2 to the power of 4 are similar, they'll be together. Then we have x squared and minus 2 squared will be together, then we equate to 0. Now we can deal with this separately and then deal with this separately. Now for me to begin with this, what if I say x to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 4 here is the same thing as 4 squared. Okay, I think you should know that because 4 squared is 16 and 2 to the power of 4 is still 16. Then plus x squared minus 2 squared. Everything is equal to 0. Now, what should we do from here? We're going to open this very quickly. Okay, to do this, we apply difference of two squares. But before then, I will still break this down. X squared squared minus 4 squared plus x squared minus 2 squared equals 0. I believe this is understandable, right? So that from here we can now use difference of two squares to deal with this, as we now have x squared minus 4 into x squared plus 4, then plus here again we are going to have x squared minus 4. Okay, let's just use 2 squared first. So this is equal to 0. Now if you look at this, is there anything common? Let's take a look at that very well. Yes, something is common, right? Because we believe that this and this are the same. You can even do it this way: x squared minus 4 into x squared plus 4, then plus open bracket x squared minus 4 equals 0, because 2 squared will still give us this 4. Now this and this are the same. We'll now factorize. We have x squared plus minus 4 as the common factor. Then what is left here is x squared plus 4. Okay, then plus the whole of this will now be 1 because this divided by this is 1. Close it with your square bracket and equate to 0. Now the next thing is we make sure that either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. But before then, let's simplify what we have in this bracket. This is going to be x squared plus 4 plus 1 is 5. Then we equate to 0. Okay, now it is either x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x squared plus 5 is equal to 0. This is because if you're multiplying two terms to get 0, either of them must be equal to 0, right? So now from here, we have our x to be equal to 0 plus, okay, so we have, by the way, there's a square here, okay, there's a square on this x, so the square will come here. X squared from here is equal to 0 plus 4, and this means that x squared is equal to 4. What should we do from here? To get the value of x, we're going to take the square root of both sides, plus or minus there. This and this will go, so x now is equal to plus or minus the square root of 4, and that is 2. Now from here we have two solutions. I'm going to bring them together at the end of the video. Now we'll go over to this again. We will solve it. This is x squared equal to 0 minus 5. Then x squared is equal to minus 5. Then we'll square both sides again, plus or minus the square. We'll take the square root of both sides. So we have the square root of negative 5, right? Let's continue. Okay, so this will go with this. We now have x to be equal to plus or minus square root of negative 5. And this is the same as x being equal to plus or minus I root 5 because of the negative in there. Now, let's get the four solutions together now. x1 is plus 2, the first one that we got. Then our x2 is minus 2. Then x3 is from here, that is positive I root 5. Then x4 is equal to negative I root 5. So these are the four solutions to the equation.